Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some strong pumpkin juice that will make him stay. So first we need our pumpkins and our carrots, and we're gonna cook these. So cut up your pumpkins, cut up your carrots, and cook it until it's soft. After it is cooked, we're going to blend them together. No, what teeth me a teeth the recipe because my mother-in-law, she has been married for about 20 odd years, and this is how she makes her husband stay at home. So I hope this recipe will help you too. So we're gonna blend our pumpkin with our carrots. Blend until it is smooth, no chunky. After that is fully blend, you're going to throw it into the container that you're going to mix the juice in. Next, we're going to blend. We have some molasses in here already. I'm going to add some vanilla to our blender in some water. We're gonna add our sugar, and you can add your sugar to taste. Some people like sweet juice, some people don't like the sweet juice, so you can add your sugar to your liking. And we'll go blend everything because we don't like over mixing. Next, we're gonna add some crushed nutmeg. So use your blender or your grater to grate the nutmeg. We're gonna add some crushed peanuts or blended peanuts. And you'll use the small part of the blender, the dry ingredients blender. Crush your peanuts. Then we're gonna add some good old crushed flaxseed. And I say flaxseed good for a whole heap of things. And we're gonna blend all this together and add it to our mixture, to our pumpkin and carrot mixture. After adding that to our mixture, we're gonna do the lasco part, the milky part of the juice, the good part of the juice. So we're adding our vanilla lasco to our blender, vanilla lasco and creamy malt lasco. Lasco food drink. After adding, we're going to blend all the milky goodness together. People, so the rest of the lady I know to do her thing. That's why she keep her husband so long. To the mixture, we're gonna add some Malta and dragon stout to give it that oomph, that vibes, to give it a buzz. Then we're gonna add some good old Ray and Nephew white rum to our mixture. Next, we're gonna add in our blended milk mixture. Now, so everything going on one. Everything that has been mixed and blended go into one. Into the container that you're going to mix your juice in. And then we stir. And just like that, you have your pumpkin carrot juice. Pumpkin carrot peanut. Good body juice. Thick and nice. Then you can pour your juice for your husband, for your boyfriend, for your man. Make him stay at home. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you'll make the juice. Hope you like the juice. Please subscribe.